Welcome to our programming channel. Today we will see comments in JavaScript. A good programmer always uses comments while writing the code. Because of comments, code becomes easy to understand. Good comments maintain the code well. Unnecessary code can be avoided because of comments. Comments may be single line comment or multi-line comments. Multi-line comments can also called as block comments. So let's see comments in JavaScript with practical example. First we will see single line comment. Now we can see this is first line. If we want to comment this line, we have to give two forward slashes or double forward slashes before this line. Now we can see here the color of this line is also changed and it becomes green now. If we see in browser now, we cannot see the sentence. This is first line. In this way, because of this comment, the code will not execute. If we give these double forward slashes after the line, then there will be no effect of comment on this line. But here we can give any message in this way. If we see in browser, this is first line, but this sentence or this message is not executed. In this way, we can give single line comment in JavaScript. Now we will see multi-line comment in JavaScript. For multi-line comment, here we have two lines and we have given alert here. For multi-line comment, we have to give forward slash and star in the beginning. And star and forward slash at the end. The code between this comment, there may be any number of lines, but these lines will not execute. If we see in browser, we get only alert message. If we include this alert also in this comment, then we can see all the three lines are not executed. So that's all for comments in JavaScript. Thanks for watching.